Hello, my name is Debora E Calabro. I am a Brazilian dentist and researcher. I would like to share with you a little about my last research, which I conducted with help of several colleagues, mainly with the Professor Alfredo Micael Melo Mesquita. The purpose was evaluate the survival rate in 3 different types of retainers: filling composite resin, fiberglass post with composite resin, and cast metallic core. 101 retainers were styled, and we did almost a 10 years follow-up analyzing the longevity of the treatment. So the data were subject to Kaplan-Meier analysis, and although fault has been detected, no significant rate were observed between the type of the intra-radicular retainers and the type of cement. So with this, I invite you to read this our research, where we discuss about these failures, the time they occurred, and the reasons. Thank you for your attention. I hope that soon we can talk about this research and increasingly involve and bring scientific basics for the dental practice around the world. Bye, see you soon.